Ciao, my name is Carlotta and I just finished my master in digital marketing and data analysis. I'm now doing an internship at EssilorLuxottica where I am a junior buyer of indirect materials. My work primarily consists of office tasks, including the daily use of the platform Microsoft Excel and data analysis. Also, we have a lot of management with suppliers and email responding. Since Luxottica is such a large company, I have the opportunity of talking and communicating with colleagues around the globe, like for example, France. H-Farm College has been a great school. It gave me the possibility of understanding how to use AI in terms also of work, and it was a great opportunity to bring it also inside of the office. Along with the many skills I got here, I think that the most important was the problem-solving one, since I found many situations during my daily activities where I needed to solve some problems, and having the capacity and the rapidity of answering to those situations was very helpful.